So we were there, Katasaha. We are going there, Villahermosa. The water pressure, they don't know where they're going. They don't know how to get there. That's the only thing, there's no view. You gotta learn to live with it. That's the way it works here. Drippy shower head, but I don't care. We are on the road to Villahermosa. We're going to be going in a van like this, but all vans are full, so we're going to wait for the next one to show up so we can get a decent enough seat. We are leaving the town of Katasaha. We had a good time there, hanging out with Aaron and his family, some people we met in Villahermosa. Maria has to stop off at the dentist in Villahermosa. That's why we're going back. Otherwise, we wouldn't be going back there because we already spent enough time there. But she got a dental appointment, so that's where we're heading to. So let's go to Villahermosa, guys. So we were there, Katasaha. We are going there, Villahermosa. Villahermosa. They say the next van will leave in about 1 hour. They say we might have to wait an hour, maybe an hour and a half. So what better to do? Drink a Coke, drink a water, just relax. Sit in the shade. There's a little restaurant here cooking some food. Just relax. No rush. We have no time limit. We go when
the smell here is horrible, like a pig pen.
Yeah, there's a really bad smell. I'll show you right now what the smell is.
It is like my stomach is really upset.
I'll show you what the smell is. It's really, really disgusting. It smells like they had a truck with pigs, I think, and the juice ran off. And the juice is right down there, and it is all this stuff here, and the stink is really bad. I think they had a truck with some pigs in it, and all the pig feces and urine ran off onto the streets. It's like really bad. Welcome to Mexico, guys. You gotta learn to live with it. That's the way it works here. Here we go, guys. We got a nice air-conditioned van. In an hour and a half, we will be in Villahermosa. I got a nice front seat here. I got lots of leg room, but you gotta fight when the van comes in. You gotta run, throw something on the front seat, and claim your spot before it's gone. You gotta be fast. Let's go Villahermosa, guys. Well, we have arrived in Villahermosa. We got a taxi from where the bus stops to the hotel, and I must say the taxi drivers in Mexico are incredibly dull. They don't know where they're going. They don't know how to get there. They don't seem to know about Google Maps. Life could be so much easier instead of running around in a circle. Get Google Maps. Get there fast, get there easier. No, they're going to guess where it is till they finally get there. I mean, dumb. That's one pet peeve I have. Come on, people, get Google Maps. Learn how to drive around a big city easy, and not be running around in circles like a chicken without a head. But that's what they do. We run around like a chicken without a head. And luckily, whenever I get into a cab, I pull out Google Maps, and then I'll tell them, no, don't turn this way, turn that way, because it's really stupid. Hello from Mexico. We are in Villahermosa again for a couple of days, and then we're off to a new destination. And we checked into Hotel Casa Real, and 450 pesos a night. Check it out. It's really, really nice. Look at this big, beautiful air-conditioned room. Look at that. Show you from different angles. It is really nice in here. It's large, king size bed. That's gonna be so good. After sleeping in some of the small beds, a king size bed will just be nice. Air conditioning, TV, a desk where I can work on, do some editing. Not bad for the price. Night table with a lamp, place to charge up my phone, and other things if I need, because there's actually 2 outlets. This is very good for the price. Let me show you the washroom. There's no view. That's the only thing, there's no view. Just a view of the hallway. But the bathroom is good. Nice pedestal sink. A toilet paper holder. Of course, toilet paper is behind the toilet again. Like I always complain, how are you gonna reach it? Mount the toilet paper holder here, guys. Because, you know, I'm not really good at yoga. The water pressure, that looks pretty cheesy. A toilet seat that's tight, so I am protected from getting injured. The toilet, to flush, you gotta hold the handle down, and it'll go down. Most toilets in Mexico are really crappy at flushing. The shower stall is beautiful, look at that. Glass shower stall, nice tiles, drippy shower head, but I don't care because I don't pay the water bills. Pretty decent shower head, let's try it out. Oh yeah, I can live with that. And it's got hot water. I can definitely live with that. The view is a hole. Well, you don't look out the window anyway here for putting your soaps in that. It's quite nice. It is very good for the price. Can't complain. Can't complain at all. So guys, thanks for watching. We found a good hotel. We're gonna enjoy the stay here. A couple of days, not long, but a few days, take care of some stuff. Bye-bye.